Welcome to my channel on YouTube. Today we'll show you how to create a cool sweep text effect in CapCut for PC. Let's dive in. First open CapCut and import a clip into the timeline. Let's add some text. Head to the text section. And pick your style. You can also add a glow effect for extra flair. You can also add a shadow effect in extra flair. You can choose the color in color section. Now create the clip into compound clip. Now let's add a mask to the text option. Go to the mask option and select the film strip mask effect. You will adjust the angle and the strip distance for the perfect look. Enable keyframes at the start. Then move to the marks by the int keyframe. To speed up the animation, decrease the distance between the keyframes. Make it for more dynamic, enable the show keyframe animation. Now we will modify the values for a smoother transition. Select the keyframe and choose free curve. We will create a smooth parabolic curve for fluid movement. And that's it. Your sweep text animation is ready.